Welcome back to another video. My name is Johnny with the Investing for Beginners community, and today we just wrapped up our live day trading session with our LTE team. If you want to know more and watch me trade live every morning, click that first link in the description below. It's 100% free, lifetime access. So guys, it's been a crazy day. We did watch the speech with Trump. Trump says he won't use force to acquire Greenland at the World Economic Forum. He talked a little bit more about some other policies that he wants to implement, and he talked a lot about how AI and drone wars going on right now as well. But overall, he's saying that the economy is in a good point right now and that we are seeing the best um, golden age as possible, as he were to say. Talks about like our ancestors not even being able to drive certain vehicles we have nowadays and the technology and everything like that. But don't really want to talk much on that. But that is what is definitely driving the market this morning. The markets are up almost 1% after a sell-off last night. Markets sold off from 615 yesterday down to 607, pushed up to 609 in the overnight hours, and then pre-market it pushed all the way down to 605. Now it's pushing all the way up to 613. What a beautiful move by tqqq, or the overall NASDAQ market, up 1.34% on the day. Now what's great about this is we were able to trade it using tqqq, which is a triple leveraged ETF for longs on QQQ. We locked in close to 2% today on this trade, up $21 at the time of this recording. I do have my one lucky share to showcase the profits, but it was a solid trade. We had a nice run up from those lows of $50. It would have been nicer to buy in around 50 to 52. That was a nice $2 per share or 4% profit. So I did leave some money on the table by not getting in on that pre-market session. But nonetheless, we did a good job by first controlling how many shares we bought. We bought 5 shares at 50.98. We bought another 5 at 50.98. We bought 10 at $51 and a penny, and then we bought the dip. We added a couple of shares at 50.76. Now we had about it was like $1,170 in this position to make about 20 bucks. But what was great about it was we rode this all the way up. We started seeing this consolidation right here, and I didn't want it to curl over and give back any of the profits that we made, so I sold 20 shares at 51.94. Now I did capture this entire day trading session from the time we bought to the time we sold with our LTE team this morning during our live day trading session. You can go back and watch that. It's 100% free, lifetime access, by clicking the first link in the description. That'll give you access to our Discord. Okay, right here I'll showcase our Discord to you, and you can see again, I recap the trade, show the profits, and if you go down to start here, this is usually where you'll start. Talks a little bit about me, how much money I have in my trading account, what type of trading account, and what my criteria checklist is before taking any trade. We also have our Learn to Earn lesson library right here. We have over 31 fire likes on this already. There's close to 750 members now, so we're trying to get up to that 1,000 member mark and beyond. So definitely consider joining our Discord. It is 100% free. But what you're going to do is go down to morning live trading, and you're going to see there's a live trading session from today and all my past live trading sessions. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday. As long as the market's open, I go live. So you can definitely check it out. You could also get involved with other like-minded individuals, not just myself, but other people who want to learn how to make more money in the stock market. There's conversations going on in here, even without me, people talking, communicating, sharing their trade ideas, sharing their stories, and it's a great place to start. This is a profits chat where we share all of our profits. Looks like we have some people. Someone locked, Tina actually, one of our members that's been with us for a while, locked in $90 on MSTZ shorting Bitcoin yesterday. We have some other people locking in money. This person made $120 or 20% on StubHub. We have, I even share my losses when I do have losses. And then even today, PDI sold MSTU and he locked in 4% profit, about $38. So there's people from all over the country and if not the world now that are in this Discord. Also show our most anticipated earnings releases in here as well for events that are happening today and this week. So we did a great job locking in profits on this trade. It was a very smooth trade and we were able to capture it live. Again, you could check out that live day trading session, first link in the description below. So now this did push up a little bit higher. I did actually sell too many shares. I wanted to sell 10 shares, and for some reason I'm used to selling 20 share increments at a time with usually about 100 shares in my position. This was a lighter position because the stock price was around $50. So I only had about 22 shares. And it's funny because as soon as I hit sell, it even has a market at 10. So I would have had to literally have clicked 20. And I did it so fast, not thinking. I sold 20 shares and I was like, oh no, I sold 20 shares at 51.94, which was beautiful. 51.94 gave us that 1.9% profit or 97 cents per share. So we made almost a full dollar. I mean, you could say we made a full dollar on 22 shares. And then I sold my last one. I sold one share at 51.88 just because I didn't want to hold two shares if this was to come back down. Now, honestly, we could have held. It went up to 52.17. We could have been up 2.3%, another 20 cents or so per share. But either way, a solid trade here. It was trailing above the moving average, the 45 EMA. It did get below it for a second on the 1 minute, but I wasn't really worried about it as the 5 minute showed a lot of confirmation. And this can still run up. My goal technically was to have it push up to this moving average right here, the green line, to lock in about 6%, which would have been closer to about $50. I do believe QQQ can push up to those levels still, but it's just not something I wanted to do. I didn't feel comfortable holding it any longer as I saw this little curl over position here. And that's the way it is. Some of these companies move very slow like this. They'll push up, they'll sell off, they'll push up, they'll sell off a little bit, thinking that it's going to break its pattern and sell off even harder, and it pushes up. And so there was a lot of consolidation right here. And then, of course, that red candle just kind of gave me a better, clear understanding that this was actually going to come down a little bit more. Now it seems to be pushing up and holding very well around $52 for tqqq. QQQ is up to 613, which is fantastic. But again, earlier I was struggling to get above 613. So I decided to lock in profits as it was struggling to get above this yellow line earlier. And again, it can push up even higher. So it was a great trade. I'm glad I was able to take it with you all during our live day trading session. I wish you guys a great rest of your day. And know that even if you can consistently lock in small amounts of money every day, 20, 30, 40 bucks a day, that adds up over time to where you're making 2% a day. That's 10% a week. And if you could do it consistently, that's 40% a month. You're almost nearly, you're not doubling your account size, but you're almost to 50%. So if you have 1,000 in your account, you're literally making 400 bucks a month. If you have 2,000 in your account, you're literally making around $800 a month. And how nice would it be to make that extra money to supplement your lifestyle? So I appreciate your guys' time. Consider subscribing to the channel and joining the Discord. Also, if that's not something you want to do, we have an Investing for Beginners community with over 72,000 members. It is a private group on Facebook. It is free to join as well. And again, you can connect with other investors and other people And maybe you're not even really into investing or day trading, but it's still a great community to join. There's a lot of people that have a ton of different conversations in there, and it could even open up your mind to possibly trading or investing later on down the line. So, again, I appreciate your time, and you guys have a great rest of your day. We will be live again tomorrow morning at Market Open, so consider joining to watch those live streams. Later, guys.